Welcome back to Tech Solution Z. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install and set up ZSH or Z Shell on Kali Linux. If you've been using Bash for a while, you'll love this upgrade. Z Shell isn't just another shell. It's faster, more flexible, and comes with advanced features like smarter auto-completion, better history search, and theme support that makes your terminal look and feel amazing. Let's start by making sure your system is ready. Open your terminal and first update your system packages so you're working with the latest version of everything. This step makes sure the ZSH installation goes smoothly and avoids missing dependencies. Once your system is updated, it's time to install ZSH. The package is available directly from Kali's repositories, so the installation will only take a minute or two. When the process is complete, you'll have ZSH available on your system, ready to use right away. Now, let's give it a test run. Type the command to launch ZSH and press Enter. The first time you run it, it may ask whether you want to create a new configuration file. You can go ahead and choose the default option for now. Immediately, you'll notice your terminal looks a little different. The prompt might change, and you'll get better suggestions when you start typing commands. That's ZSH's power at work. If you like how it feels, let's make ZSH your default shell, so every new terminal session uses it automatically. You just need to change your login shell, log out, and log back in. After that, every time you open your terminal, you'll be greeted by ZSH instead of Bash. But we're not stopping there. Let's add some style and functionality. One of the most popular ways to supercharge ZSH is with a framework called Oh My Zsh. It's like an upgrade pack that adds hundreds of themes and plugins you can easily switch between. Once you install it, you can customize your terminal with beautiful prompts, color schemes, and handy tools that show Git branches, Docker info, or even system status right in your terminal. Inside your configuration file, called .zshrc, you can switch themes or enable plugins with a single line. For example, you can activate syntax highlighting, command auto-suggestions, or useful shortcuts that save you time every day. If you want to go even further, there's an amazing theme called Powerlevel10k. It gives your terminal a professional look with icons, colors, and live information like battery status or time. It takes a minute to configure, but the results look great, especially if you're recording tutorials or want your setup to stand out. Once you're done setting everything up, restart your terminal to see the changes take effect. You can check which shell you're using anytime. It should now show ZSH as your default. And if for any reason you want to switch back to Bash later, that's easy too. You can change the default shell anytime you like. So that's it. In just a few minutes, you've upgraded your Kali Linux terminal from plain and simple to smart, fast, and fully customizable. ZSH gives you a smoother command line experience, and with Oh My Zsh, it becomes a tool you'll actually enjoy using every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Kali Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video only on Tech Solution Z.